si Bitcoin, yung parallel channel natin kahapon, kung makikita nyo po, hindi po tayo nag-confirm pa ng breakdown sa parallel channel because we close ng green. Very good Bitcoin. Ngayon, ang kailangan gawin ng mga bulls, we push the price higher, papasok dun sa parallel channel. If we push, pumasok tayo sa parallel channel. Just like yung ginawa ng gold, pumasok dun sa box, hinataw. Hatawin to. Maybe we'll see 100. Pagdating ng 100, expect some profit, heavy profit taking sa 100K area. Ngayon, what are you going to do? I don't know about you. So you have to plan. Again, babalikan mo, ano ba to? Short term ba to? Swing lang ba to? Or long term naman ako, okay lang, whatever is the price, I will not take profit. It's up to you, no right or wrong because the market is always right. So you have to take care. So if we fail, sinasabi ko nga maraming support ko makikita, hindi ko nakikita to na diretso mabilis pababa kasi may support dyan sa blue, may kita ka ng bounce dyan. On the lower time frame, bababa po pagka bumubuhos po to, you go to the lower time frame kasi makikita mo yung mga bounce dito sa blue. Now you decide. Pagka ba nag-fail, saan ka ba i-exit? Saan ka ba mag-trailing stop? You're profiting. Now if you have an entry, kung short term yan, saan ka ba maglalagay ng stop loss? Asan ba yung circuit breaker mo, etc. You have to plan.